Radhe Radhe everyone. In this video, we will discuss about how to create custom calendar table in Power BI using DAX. For creating a custom calendar table using DAX in Power BI, first we have to go into Modeling tab here, click on New Table, like this formula bar will get appear here. Let's get start with a DAX query. Like custom calendar equal to, first of all we will create variable of a start date equal to date attribute here in the year 2024 25, then 1st January, like this, and then second variable is end date. Then mention the year 2025, month is 12 and 30. Okay, here I create the two variables, start date and end date. Okay, using var makes the code more readable, reusable, and easier to maintain. Now, return return tells Power BI what the final output of this expression will be. Okay, now in this table we gonna add columns, then calendar function mentioning the start date. You already create variables for that, and end date. Here, calendar generates a continuous list of dates between the start date and end date. Now we are going to add columns like year, year, year from date. Okay. Then month, number, month, number, comma, month from date. Then month name, for this we going to format here, format getting from the date, comma, formatting on the basis of J times M. Now the day from day from date. Okay, yes, that's it. Okay, can say weekday also, We can find weekday from a table date, weekday date, weekday, here weekday like this, with return type 2 makes Monday equal to 1 and Sunday equal to 7, which matches business times. Okay, yes, that's it. Now closing the bracket. Before closing bracket, it shows in red color here. After the closing bracket, it gets blue. Okay, now run the query. Yes, we got our table. Go to table view, custom calendar. Here is our tax query, and the result is here. We can format if we don't want the time here. We can format this table. Go here in column tools. There is a format. Then in format, choose the short date. Yes, we got our we got our date, year, month number, month name, day, and weekday. If you like this video, then hit the like button and please share this with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification for the next upcoming videos. Thank you.